Grand awakening, Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, magic and money all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Book a really good massage with me. Check out the NFTs, the ebooks, the music. Great products are there. Your word of the day is everything turns to light. So Cancer, you know what we say. We put fingerprints, blueprint, pink print, brain print, footprint on every little thing, every thought that we have, because it's time for it to shine. It's time for it to grow. Nothing is happening to you. It's happening for you. You're becoming stronger and wiser. Therefore, you can maintain bigger and better blessings, because when they come, negative energy carries a weight. Therefore, positive energy carries a weight. But when it comes through, it won't be like a big brick and chain, a boulder. It shall be like a feather, and you can maintain. I work to improve myself, embrace all that life brings to me. I transform darkness into light, and I allow myself to grow and become stronger. Spirit wants to bless you. Put in the work. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.